Poeboys. Levi's desk right here.
Oh man.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
I don't think so. Oh no. No!
Yeah, that's my belt.
Oh shit.
TBH, there's only an alternator on it, so I'm not even that mad. There's part of it. I looked on the floor, I was like, is that my belt? That means that we get to pull this thing out. Ah, I'm stuck, dude. The car currently isn't running. Oh, it's not running because I turned it off. It runs, it does run, but the car's stuck. I'm gonna take a Snapchat real quick. We got the bumper off the car. We're gonna have to tow it with the truck. Getting the old 6.4 to the rescue because this is 4-wheel drive. It'll pull the thing out without an issue. Play stupid games and get stupid prizes. All right.
We got a low tire pressure light. Is that a good thing?
Things are broken. It's Ford. What do you think? Easy work for peasants. So we put the bumper back on, which literally is so freaking easy on this car. I can't even tell you. It's just as simple as pressing these 2 buttons on this side and pressing 2 buttons on the other side, and the bumper comes in and out. It's just like that. There's 2 top little pins, but I don't leave them in right now because I'm obviously not drifting it right now. We're gonna go ahead and head into the shop because we have a lot of cool things going on. Changing it up a little bit. We're making it a little more like a workplace instead of just a place to put stuff, you know what I'm saying? Introducing what's going to be the office. This really has nothing much in it right now. They used to have a giant like concession table where they would have a cash register and all that stuff that we broke into. Oh yeah, that looks pretty baller actually. So Carson's is right here. Internet meet Carson's.
Carson's.
Hit up the Instagram, and Carson's been taking a bunch of pictures, so if you want to see some pictures of the stuff that we've been doing on my OnlyFans. So what we have right now that we have to do is the desk. So this is the actual original desk that I edited the Crack Rock video on. When I first started YouTubing, I did it on this piece of wood right here. So we're gonna go ahead and repurpose it into making a desk right here for Levi. Kind of make it a little bit more modern. We're gonna paint the walls and do all that stuff here in a little bit, but right now we just kind of want to get it working so we can work out of it right now, and then we'll make it look good whenever we can do so later on. Go ahead and make this place an office. So we have some things moved around. These are the casting couches right here. We're gonna leave those in this room, and we have a little wall sectioned off. We're just gonna put Levi's desk right here and get it all set up. This place is already looking a lot better than it used to be looking. There, children's. Now we have pretty much the whole entire place kind of cleaned up. We got a carpet in here now. We have everything in this section cleaned out. We're gonna put like a little table here for a coffee maker, and possibly even like the little fridge that I have. Might put that in here so that way we can just have a nice little food area. Also have some shelves right here. Levi's got some shelves. We're gonna put some drone equipment on here, but I'm gonna leave that there because Levi has some very good ideas in the freaking works. But until then, we're putting couches and stuff right here, so we kind of have a little chill spot now. Chill and hang out while we're not working on stuff, and then go work on stuff whenever we have to work on stuff, featuring the silver bullets. Yeah, so lunch break. While we're on our lunch break, we're going to get some stain for this guy. We're gonna stain it to make it look nice. A lot of grease and stuff, because this used to be used at an automotive shop. So all this stuff has like just grease and grime. Sand all of these edges down so where it's a little bit smoother of an edge. Stain the whole entire thing so it's really nice and clean.
The straps came off, but yeah.
That looks exactly like my painting mask. That's great. So we're about to sand this here desk. We're all getting masks for it, but luckily it's 2020 and it's Rona season. If you can see, this thing's trashed, so we're gonna untrash it kind of. That might be aggressive.
So wait, do you have these going down in like portions?
This with the edges, clean up the edges with it.
You can work like together if you want.
Oh yeah, no, that would be great.
I'm gonna do one whole layer of belt. From there, I'm gonna go and start on the edges. We're getting it done. I don't do this often, and this is something that I don't really have much experience in, other than I've done it maybe 3 times before. So I'm gonna see if I can get it done with the way I know. Might not be the right way, but it's the way.
This is the way.
Hey, you know what the real move is?
Yeah, that's the real move.
We did it. Hooray. Now
We did it.
Hey, this whole top piece, I'm gonna stain that. Nothing below it I'm gonna stain. It should be dope. This thing on?
That just fucking did not work right. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. We're just gonna do it.
Oh man.
Is it dripping? Not yet.
Like bubbly.
So we're still doing some damage on this here table, which was never designed to look good. We were just like, we want a coffee table, so let's go ahead and make it look kind of solid. And now it's stained. And it's still just a piece of junk table that someone put together like however many years ago that was supposed to be part of a cashier's desk. Yeah. Now it's literally a table for our Keurig machine. Feel how thick it is. Look at this.
Mmm.
How's it taste?
What tree do you want me to hit? Playing Top Golf, low end budget.
Here's our track man.
I'm gonna tell you exactly where she goes, buddy.
In the gap?
In the gap.
In the gap. All right.
That was nice.
It's champion driver. It's dope. It's fancy.
Do you need another apple?
I'm destroying these apples.
Probably not.
You want me to throw you the apple first or the ball
We're
first?
gonna aimbot.
Aimbot activate. Poeboys.
Hey Siri, enable aimbot.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab that golf ball.
He needs some milk.
So Wish got this cool little drone, and it's pretty dope, but I don't like it.
Will it still fly?
Okay.
Wish little drone, definitely worth the investment.
It's keeping us warm.
Facts, in this cold day.
It's a nice campfire.
Shit! Time out there. That's the drone. Look at the batteries and shit.
Oh, stinks.
This was a drone 5 minutes ago.
It's got the imprint of your foot on it.
Smells really good.
I've never seen some stuff like this.
Ugh.
This is all that remains. Wouldn't it be great if that just like we caught it on fire and I stepped on it and it got stuck to the bottom of my foot. Time to cut this piece of wood desk. That'll do a donkey. All right, guys, so after a day of working, me and Levi are the last ones here right now. We have some backpack racks right here. We have a spot that we're gonna put a coffee machine so we can have a kind of a food station. Put a little mini fridge right there. The couch and area, which y'all already have seen. And now we have the desk set up. This is what I edited the crack rock video on, this desk right here. I just think that's funny every time we freaking say it. We got some shelves up for some stuff, and honestly, this place is coming together very well. There really isn't too much more we have to do. There's just kind of these guys right here. About to start fire.
Yeah.
That's what we were talking about back here.
Hey man, motion with the bruise.
Oh, yeah. I already had an injury.
Really?
I got a rag in between my socks. No, I looked at it. It's clean.
Oh, okay, we're good.
It's a clean nail.
Look at the door.
Now we'll just cover it up with that.
All right, guys, so we're in the office right now, and we're finally making some use of it. Levi's in the new desk area editing the video that you're watching right now, which is Inception, but it's great. We have a nice little ledge right here. I might take these here 2x6s and run them all the way down so I have a nice wood wall, and we might stain something on there, like a pattern or the Poeboys logo. Something pretty cool, but I don't know exactly what I want yet. We also got this little table right here. It ended up pretty freaking nice. Oh, golly, I have so much stuff on it. Now you can see this thing right here. This thing looks really good. Smooth, sanded, and really fine, so that way no one's gonna cut themselves or get any sort of, or get it, yes, or get any sort of splinters or anything like that. So this office has had a lot of stuff done to it, and we got ourselves a little chill spot too. With that being said, that concludes this video of working on the shop, getting stuff done. Thank you all very much for watching. If you got this far, have a great one. Remember to freaking send it. Be great.